Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and this snowy, wintry, off-grid project. Well, winter does not want to let go this year. You can see where the ground is warmer, and out there it's colder. I have not been able to get much done here because of the continuous snowing, raining, alternating. I took in my parts because I'm going to plane the boards on this extension. But I did manage, I didn't have my camera out because we had a couple hours period of sun a few days back. And it was the only sun I've seen since. And we've had heavy rain and downpours. I don't know if you can tell, the ground is sopping wet. And so I managed, and it's going to be hard to show you, what I did, this one was a bad example. Here, there was a job, and that's why I didn't have time for the camera. I was running. I put the 4x4 right under the bunk, and then I lag bolted that down. Ugh, it doesn't even blow. It's wet snow. Boy, that's on there. I lag bolted, or I bolted the wood to the frame of the trailer all the way through. That was a job drilling. And I lag bolted the bunks down through to the wood, and I also, for stability, I'll get to that joint there, but then I also got here where this comes together, I got that straighter, and yeah, that is the joint. I'm sorry, everything's under snow, it's hard for me to see what I'm doing. Yeah, here I put the joint on the wood and helped me straighten it out, and I got this track straighter than the previous owner had it. I got this so straight you can not feel a bump here, and the track rolls beautifully here. It is almost seamless now. Really good. The track rolls really good. So I was excited to get some wood on here and start processing, at least with the 12 foot that I have. And it hasn't stopped raining. I did come out in the rain one day and knock down a dead tree that sadly we didn't want to remove, but it was dead. It died last summer from the drought, and critters were peeling the bark off. If you see here, there's no bark left at all. They've taken it off. And I mean, from top to bottom, look, they peeled that bark off that thing entirely. All the way down. They've been peeling it off. And guess where it all went? It is, I probably can't see it now. It's all inside our boat. Yeah, you can't see. Our boat is loaded with pieces of tree bark and junk, because the animals, the birds and stuff, were pecking for insects. It stripped all the bark off that tree into my boat. So it had to come down. And I wanted also, oh, I see now it's worse than I thought. I wanted to save it before it was too bad. Has the normal typical jack pine red rot. I don't think the wood is too far gone though. See the red rot? That's typical jack pine. But what I'm going to do is run this on the mill and make live edge slabs for my watchtower, for siding for the watchtower. Now, as you can see, it's not a very straight, clean, or good piece of wood. And because it's so gnarly, I had to cut it into two pieces. And I ran out of gas just as I was shaving that arm off, but I'll probably get some siding for at least one, maybe two walls with that little bit. And I figured that's a good use of the wood and a test of the mill. So, might get a couple little pieces out of that one. And we'll see what I can salvage out of here. And shave out for live edge slabs on the mill. That's just the idea. And then the rest is going to be firewood. Maybe if that's long enough, I might shave out a couple pieces. And then that'll be a good test. But anyway, the tree will live on in some way. But what you see is what we've had for days and days and days. It's either raining or snowing. And right now it's quite gentle, but it's been just pouring rain. And what I want to do, let me pause. I've been wanting to move the mill over here onto more stable ground under the tent, but I don't want to drive my truck and haul that weight around and dig ruts in the soft, mushy soil. So that's on hold again. So I've been working inside on a project which I'm going to reveal to you hopefully today. So watch for the next video. I just wanted to give you a brief overview. The mill runs. It does run. And this part is more stable, solid, straight, and perfect than it ever was. And I got the kink out of it. I couldn't get the board under the bunk on this one. And here's where the bow was. It was bowed upwards. And boy, when I put it down on here, I saw it. And I was able to pull that out by bolting that to here and that to here. My Ryobi's batteries are dying, so I only got one. I actually drilled new holes in here. I'm going to end up probably putting another. I'll wait and see if I need it, because that is all the way through the 4x4, that bolt. I probably won't need it, but I'll keep my eye on it in time. But the Ryobi's batteries are dying, and so that's as far as I got on that day. And I may put another one here, so that all the weight is evenly transferred down to the frame of the trailer. It just so happened to be that that is right there. And it'll be fine. I'm going to put another one down here when I get the new extensions on. And that'll be lined up. But anyway, that's it. I will be showing you what I've been doing inside very soon. Today, hopefully, I'll get that video up to you. I just wanted to share with you what's been going on. Oh, and I forgot. Yeah, I put on trailer jacks. It was a few days ago. We haven't had a break in the rain for days. So there's the trailer jacks. I've got a really, really, really good deal at Harbor Freight. $112 trailer jacks, dual wheel, for $30 a piece. So I was very pleased. I got some more Walmart ones for the back, and I got another Harbor Freight one that was on clearance for the front. So I've got jacks. I'll be able to move it around, level it off. My dream and my vision is coming together. It's looking good. So stay tuned for the updates. Be back in a little while. Please like this video. It's exciting. This is somebody said it's one of the probably the better projects I've ever done, and one of the most complete, and I'm really, really, really pushing through on it. So let me know if you agree. Talk to you later.